Hi, here is how you can fill in the Tally MSME Honors form with your details. When you open the MSME Honors homepage, scroll down and click on Submit Nomination Here button. Once the nomination page opens, select the relevant category from the list. On the next page, you can select if you are nominating yourself or another business. Based on your selection, the form will expand, where you can enter the rest of the details, including name, contact details, company information, location the company is headquartered in, GST and Udyam details. The next 3 questions are especially important as you need to share your business story with us. These will define your core USP and why your business deserves to win the honor. Please note that wherever the red asterisk is present, those questions are mandatory. You will not be able to submit the form without filling in the response for those questions. The last 2 questions are not mandatory, but if you fill them in, you will increase your chances of winning. You can upload any picture or document that shows your previously earned awards, group staff pictures, client testimonials, or anything else about your company. In the last question, you can upload your own picture if you are nominating yourself, or the picture of the business owner if you are nominating another business. And that's all. Simply click on the Submit button and the form will be submitted. If you wish to nominate another business for MSME Honors, you can again click on Submit Nomination Here button and start to fill in the form again.